following is a winter storm watch from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Central Cook, DuPage, Lake, Northern Cook, and Southern Cook, and the following counties in Indiana: Lake and Porter. What? Blizzard conditions possible. Winds could gust as high as 55 miles per hour. Where? Portions of central, east central, north central, and northeast Illinois and northwest Indiana. When? From Thursday evening through late Friday night. Impact: falling and blowing snow may result in whiteout conditions with zero visibility at times, making travel extremely difficult, if not impossible. Power outages will also be possible as a result of strong damaging wind gusts to 55 miles per hour. Additional details: bitterly cold wind chills as low as 25 below zero are likely during the height of the storm. Wind chills of this magnitude can cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. Prepare for possible blizzard conditions. Continue to monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. Now here is the